Hi there everyone. Yes, yet another video. Yes, it's trendy styles forever. Yes, trendy styles forever. It's all about trends as usual. Right now you're watching hairstyle trend. 22 little girls, beautiful hairstyles. You should check out this season part 1. There's actually a part 2 coming up, so you should watch out for it. But right now you're watching 22 little girls, beautiful hairstyles. You should check out this season. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel. You are subscribers. You're doing a great job by keeping a date with us as usual, and always wanting to or expecting to view whatever we post online. And if you're new to this channel, yes, you just go right ahead and subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it. Yes, I'm sure you won't regret it. Yes, keep a date with us and press the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. Yes, they're into hairstyles for both women and adult women, as well as little girls or toddlers. Yes. So I just hope, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and take care of yourself as you watch this video. Share it with someone.